Namaste, everybody. How are you? Good morning, evening, afternoon, midnight, wherever you are, whoever you are. Hello. So, today I want to talk to you a little bit about a metaphor. I heard about the different stages of meditation that I just love. I think it made me feel good listening to it, and I want to share it with you so that it really gets ingrained in my own mind and my memory so that I can really hold on to it when I sit and I experience these things going on, right? For those of you who don't know, I'm a Vipassana meditator, have been doing that for many years now. And the metaphor that comes in is about these stages of samatha or concentration, calm, equanimity, right? In the Buddhist pantheon, right? The way in which we practice this vipassana or insight meditation to observe things as they are, to embrace impermanence of all things in life, and to develop and strengthen our equanimity, right? This is the whole process of meditation. So, this is my PSA for meditation. Please start a meditation practice. Even if it's 5 minutes a day, you can at least observe your breath, right? And if you want to join me at Breathing Room online, right, on starting January 3rd, we'd start this meditation sangha to sit together. That's Sundays, 5 to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Link is in the bio. Anyways, getting back to this topic, right? So, the first experience, right? When you sit in meditation, it's like a giant waterfall crashing over you, right? So, you are overwhelmed by your thoughts, your emotions, your sensations. There's no sense of separation. You're just in it, you're doused completely, and there cannot be any degree of witnessing or observing in a calm way, right? Strong identification with your thoughts, strong identification with the feelings in your body. The second stage or state is like moving down a fast flowing river, right? So if you've ever done any river rafting or observed a fast flowing river from the bank, right, it moves so quickly. But if you're sitting on the river and you're on your little boat and you can, kind of maneuver a little bit, you know things are moving very fast. You know your thoughts are very rapid. You know your sensations are maybe overwhelming, right? But there is a level of being alert, aware, right? As you're navigating this stream that is taking you very quickly in one direction, in another direction. The next stage or state is the idea of two rivers meeting, the confluence of two rivers, right? So one river is your experiences, your inner experiences of your thoughts, emotions, sensations. The next river is your awareness, right? And so both are occurring at the same time. Both are present, both are experiencing the inner realm of the body. So in yoga, this awareness we call as buddhi, right? The buddhi. In Buddhist terminology, we might call it sati, or pure awareness, mere awareness of whatever is happening in the body. And right, both are there side by side. The next stage or state is like a lake with ripples at the surface, right? So relative calm, relative ease, right? But there's still the fluctuations of the mind are still there. The chitta vrittis are still there. The samskaras, sankharas in Buddhist language, right, is coming up to the surface. So you little bits here and there. They don't really take you away from your deep concentration or your strength of equanimity. You can observe them in a more peaceful and tranquil way, right? And these ripples may be related to what's happening in the present moment through your sense organs, or may be related to your past karmic impressions, right? That means some memories or sensations, things that come up that are not directly linked to what's happening right now. And then the last experience, right? And I say last, I don't mean it's the last thing that happens. It's just all of these stages, states, you go from one, you jump to another, one moment here, one moment there. They're always kind of moving around with one another, right? They're very intertwined here. But the last one that you may experience is like a wide ocean, hardly any movement, very still at the surface. So your mind is feeling as wide as it does deep, right? And that the fluctuations at the surface are barely there, right? And you're deeply in that state of concentration or samadhi, right? And in that concentration or state of samadhi, one can develop very strongly one's courage, enthusiasm, and also the strength and conviction, right, to face once again when the waterfall comes in, because it inevitably will come in. It will overwhelm you. You will be overwhelmed, but you may have dipped into one or more of these stages. So, my friends, keep going with your meditation. Don't stop at just the asana. Please, at the end of your asana practice, close your eyes, shut off the Zoom, sit in meditation if your teacher hasn't put you in meditation already for a little bit more than, a 5-second Om at the end. All right, friends, take care.